When I see a user get frustrated with the software, I think this is the hardest time to listen and also the time we must listen the hardest.
Look, the user isn't misbehaving. Her attitude is mirroring the machine. Our software is the one that is failing you.
Orion thinks our failures in software permit our users to fail themselves. It's an existential issue to him.
We work collectively to build things, but also our own individual selves, each with our own dignity and needs. I hear the words personal computer, and I think about machines that respect each of us as unrepeatable creations. With these machines, do we commoditize the human or accommodate the person? Whether we do or not, this all depends on the choices we make every day. I need to make the right ones.
It was the closest I ever came to enlightenment. I experienced the world not how it is, but how it ought to be. And I believe, for that second, I also could see the why and the how to get there. But every moment of life happens only once. These flashes of inspiration fade like mist whenever daylight kisses it. It becomes a copy of a copy, an imitation made unrecognizable by nostalgia and time.